So here's the quarantine house. It's been rather buffeted by the wind. Some of the roof leak out. You see all the polythene ripped. Up to the vents there. Down the whole length of the house. Down the side walls. And up. Oh.